If you've been seeing ads for Let Me Play Gummies everywhere and wondering whether they're the real deal or just another overhyped supplement, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down what people actually experience with these gummies in 2025, so you can decide for yourself if they're scam or legit. So let's start with the good. Before we go deeper, a quick note for my subscribers. When it comes to supplements trending in 2025, it's more important than ever to look beyond marketing. Many wellness products explode in popularity due to influencer ads and targeted promotion through platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. But real user experiences tell a much different story. This is why honest breakdowns like this one matter, especially for you, my community, who values real information and transparency. Let Me Play Gummies definitely score high when it comes to clean, transparent ingredients. The full formula is listed clearly on their website, and honestly, it's one of the cleanest you'll find in this category. No parabens, no gelatin, no gluten, no talc, no synthetic colors, no dairy, no FD and C dyes, and they're certified vegetarian. If you're someone who pays close attention to what goes into your body, that's a huge plus. They also fit really well into a lot of dietary lifestyles. Another added benefit worth mentioning for health-conscious subscribers, vegetarian certified supplements like these are part of a growing demand category in 2025, as more users avoid preservatives, artificial dyes, and allergens. Certifications like vegetarian, gluten-free, or paraben-free often show a brand is at least prioritizing safety, even if results vary. So in terms of formulation transparency, this puts Let Me Play ahead of many competitors in the nutraceutical space this year. But here's where things start to get shaky. First, the price. These gummies aren't cheap, and if you're outside the US, like in the UK, Canada, or the Netherlands, the cost gets even higher. And unfortunately, that premium price doesn't always match the results. A lot of users said they didn't notice much of a difference, even after taking them consistently. The big promises, better intimacy, improved blood flow, boosted performance, just didn't happen for most people. A quick comparison for my subscribers. Premium gummy supplements in 2025 often range between 40 to 80 USD. But once international shipping and currency conversion apply, some customers report paying 2 times or more the base cost, depending on country. When a supplement sits at the top of the pricing tier, most users expect noticeable effects within 4 to 8 weeks, or at minimum, responsive support and fast delivery. Let Me Play seems to struggle most on the value-to-results ratio, which is why the price becomes such a tipping point topic in 2025 reviews. Then there's the customer service side, and honestly, it's one of the biggest red flags. Many buyers reported slow shipping, missing products, or no response at all when trying to contact support. Again, international customers seem to have the worst experience. For my community, unreliable support is especially damaging in 2025, when buyers expect real-time responses or clear order tracking through tools like YouTube Studio product integrations, SMS updates, or Shopify-based tracking emails. Many supplement brands now use automated AI chat support on their sites, so no response at all really stands out compared to modern brand standards. A lack of engagement from support often leads buyers to label the experience, not necessarily the product, as not legit, even when ingredients are safe. And finally, the side effects. Not super common, but enough to take seriously. Things like breakouts and even yeast infections for some users. On the flip side, a few people did mention minor positives, like a little more energy or slightly reduced appetite, but those were rare. Important context for my subscribers. Gummy supplements in the intimacy and performance category sometimes include botanical extracts that can interact differently depending on skin sensitivity, hormonal balance, or the microbiome. While yeast infections are not widely expected, multiple anecdotal reports are enough to pay attention. In 2025, the supplement review space heavily weighs patterned user reactions, even when clinical data isn't available. So while side effects are not confirmed widespread, they're not dismissible either. So, scam or legit? Let Me Play Gummies aren't a scam. They do use clean, safe ingredients, but they're also not a miracle product. And for the price, the results seem underwhelming for most people. If clean ingredients are your priority and you're curious, they might be worth trying. But if you want noticeable results or reliable customer service, you may walk away disappointed. Practical guidance added for subscribers. If you do try a supplement like Let Me Play in 2025, it helps to track results intentionally. Many users in wellness communities now document progress in metrics like daily energy scoring, hydration levels, mood, skin reactions, workout output, or smartwatch blood flow indicators. This gives you a clearer personal conclusion than reviews alone. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let me know in the comments if you've tried Let Me Play yourself.